twins on a slide, a spade in the sand, a small square shape, 6 dogs at the thrash bin, a flat tire on a red bike, a man on a whale's back, a thrush on a bare branch, a white quilt on a bunk bed, a sad man at his wife's grave, Moll with the same doll as Tess, a plate with a crack in the sink, a big pink cone and a tin of Coke. A big spade stuck in a pile of mud. A small ball of twine in a pink press. A king on his throne with a big smile. A small stone on top of a brick wall. A snake with fangs in the long grass. A pink plate full of grapes and plums. A man with a smile in a square frame. A small white dress on Tom's thin wife. A bike with a red frame and a pink bell.